In today's video, I am going to teach you how to lock objects in Figma. Locking is a simple way to protect parts of your design from accidental moves or edits, which is especially helpful for backgrounds, headers, or elements you've already finalized. When something is locked, it stays in place until you deliberately unlock it, giving you confidence to work quickly without breaking your layout. Start by opening your design in Figma. Once your file is open, decide which object you want to protect. In Figma, every object on the canvas corresponds to a layer in the Layers panel, so it helps to keep an eye on both as you work. Click to select the layer you want to lock, so it's highlighted. The fastest way to lock your selection is with a keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and L. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and L. This is a toggle, so using the shortcut again will unlock the selection. After locking, you'll notice you can't drag or edit that object on the canvas, and in the Layers panel you'll see a small padlock icon next to the layer, which confirms it's secured. If you prefer using the interface, you can lock from the Layers panel. Find the layer, hover your cursor over it, and click the padlock icon that appears. Click it again to unlock. This method is great when you are working through a complex hierarchy and want visual confirmation of what's locked at a glance. You can also lock directly from the canvas with a right-click. Right-click the object and choose Lock. When you are ready to make changes, right-click again and choose Unlock. This menu option is handy if you are already focused on the object in your layout and don't want to switch panels. When you need to protect several items at once, bulk locking saves time. Click and drag a selection box over multiple objects on the canvas to select them together, or hold Shift while clicking multiple layers in the Layers panel. With everything selected, use any of the same methods: the keyboard shortcut, the padlock in the panel, or the right-click lock option. All selected layers will lock at once, and you can unlock them the same way. If something won't respond to clicks, check the Layers panel to see if it's locked. Keep layer names clear so you can spot what's secured quickly, and only unlock when you are ready to adjust. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.